In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a Kashflow invoice as paid. Whether you're new to Kashflow or just need a little refresher, marking an invoice as paid is an essential part of keeping your accounts in order. So let's dive right into it with these simple steps. First, you need to access Kashflow Connect. Open your web browser and navigate to the Kashflow Connect website. If this is your first time, or if you haven't been there in a while, make sure you log in with your credentials. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see various options. What we're interested in right now is the dashboard area, and to get started, you're going to want to click on the chart icon that looks like a bar graph. This usually takes you to a more detailed financial section where you can manage your invoices. Next, find the option to send an invoice. This might seem a bit counterintuitive since you're marking one as paid, but this step ensures that you're looking at the right section of your invoices. Now, within this section, you'll see a list of all your invoices. The next thing you need to do is locate the specific invoice you wish to mark as paid. It might help to use any sorting options available, like invoice date or client's name, depending on how your system is set up. Once you've found the invoice you're looking for, go ahead and click on it. This will open up a new page with more detailed information about the invoice. Here's where you'll see an option called Add Payment. Clicking on this option is crucial as it will let you